Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern. In this pattern, we point 1 to 29 odd numbers, 1 to 30 odd numbers. And in this pattern, we increment plus 2 in between all these numbers. So to make this pattern we used nested for loop. Nested for loop is a loop in which for loop inside for loop, that is called nested for loop, and this pattern is a rectangle triangle shaped pattern. So to create this pattern we used two variable I and j. I is used for outer for loop and j is used for inner for loop, and we take a third variable k, that is initialized to 1 because in first row we want to point 1. So we initialize k equals to 1 and we create outer for loop and initialize I equals to 1 and check condition I less than equals to 5 and I increment to 1 because number of rows equals to 5. So we create outer for loop 1 to 5 and we create inner loop. Inside the outer loop j initialized to 1, j less than equals to I and j plus plus because inner loop is used to form a rectangle triangle pattern, and inside the inner loop we point k variable because k variable holds 1. So first time in first row point will be 1 and k equals to k plus 2 because in all numbers the increment value is 2. So after completing this pattern we use backslash n for cursor to the next line. So I hope you all guys are understand that how to create this pattern because this pattern is a rectangle triangle shaped pattern, and in this pattern we point 1 to 30 odd numbers and in between all these odd numbers plus 2 values incremented. So I hope you understand, and if you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me anytime in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching the Python playlist, the C programming playlist, Bootstrap framework and so on. And in our upcoming playlist you will stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. Thank you guys, and keep support me more and more. Thank you.
I know